When it comes to enjoying the great outdoors, a comfortable camping chair can make all the difference. Whether you're around the campfire, tailgating, or soaking up nature, the right chair provides the comfort and support you need. In this guide, we've rounded up the best camping chairs on the market to elevate your outdoor experience. From portable designs to durable options that can withstand the elements, let's explore the top picks that will keep you relaxed during your adventures. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the ALPS Mountaineering King Kong Camping Chair. Are you searching for the perfect camping chair that combines both comfort and durability? Look no further than the ALPS Mountaineering King Kong. Renowned for its exceptional comfort, this chair quickly becomes your favorite place to unwind around the campfire after a day of adventure. The King Kong features slightly padded fabric that is designed for extended lounging, allowing you to relax and soak in the beauty of nature. Its spacious seat provides ample room, and while it offers a laid-back feel, the sturdy frame ensures stability, making it suitable for various outdoor activities. One of the most impressive aspects of the King Kong is its weight capacity, supporting up to 800 pounds. This robust construction, crafted from reinforced, durable fabric, guarantees that the chair can handle all your outdoor escapades, whether it's a family camping trip or a gathering with friends. Thoughtful storage options enhance your outdoor experience. With 2 cup holders, 2 side pockets, and a smaller pocket behind the headrest, everything you need is conveniently within reach. Whether you're enjoying a warm drink, stargazing, or sharing stories, the King Kong camping chair is designed to elevate your time outdoors and help you create lasting memories. Choosing the King Kong means embracing comfort and convenience during your next adventure, allowing you to fully enjoy every moment in the great outdoors. At number 4, Marchway Folding Highback Camping Chair. Are you in the market for a folding chair that enhances your camping experience? The Marchway Lightweight Folding Highback Camping Chair is an excellent option that combines comfort, support, and affordability, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts like you. With this chair, you'll find yourself enjoying long hours around the campfire or lounging by the lake with ease. This chair comes equipped with a carrying case that not only serves as a convenient way to transport your chair, but can also be stuffed with clothing to create a makeshift pillow. This thoughtful design caters to your comfort needs while on the go, ensuring you can relax wherever your adventures take you. Marchway stands out as a competitive alternative to higher-priced options like the Helinox Sunset. Despite being budget-friendly, it doesn't compromise on quality or features. One of its unique attributes is the rounded arm flaps, which provide extra cushioning for your arms, enhancing your overall sitting experience. The lightweight construction of the Marchway chair ensures that you can carry it effortlessly on your journeys, allowing you to focus on enjoying nature rather than worrying about cumbersome gear. By investing in the Marchway Lightweight Folding Highback Camping Chair, you're choosing a blend of comfort and practicality that meets your outdoor needs without breaking the bank. Gear up for your next adventure with a chair designed for relaxation, wherever your travels lead you. Number 3, we have the Caravan Sports Infinity Zero Gravity Camp Chair. If you enjoy relaxing outdoors, the Caravan Sports Infinity Zero Gravity Camp Chair is a fantastic addition to your camping gear. This chair allows you to fully recline, giving you the option to lie nearly flat, perfect for gazing at the clouds or enjoying a moment of tranquility away from fellow campers. The chair can be locked into position, ensuring stability and preventing any unexpected shifts in weight. Designed with taller users in mind, the extended reclining position accommodates individuals of various heights and provides sturdy support with a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. Although some users noted feeling a crossbar under the seat, this did not significantly detract from the overall comfort. One consideration to keep in mind is the ease of getting out of the chair while reclined. Many users found it awkward to rise from the reclining position, so it's advisable to return the chair to an upright position before standing up. This small adjustment can enhance your experience and make transitioning from relaxation to activity effortless. The Caravan Sports Infinity Zero Gravity Camp Chair combines comfort and practicality, making it a reliable choice for your outdoor adventures. Whether you're camping, lounging on your patio, or simply enjoying a day at the beach, this chair offers the support and design you need to savor every moment of your leisure time. At number 2, GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker. If you're seeking unparalleled comfort during your outdoor adventures, look no further than the GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker. Renowned for its exceptional design, GCI has established itself as the leader in camp relaxation, and the Kickback Rocker stands out as a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts like you. Designed with your comfort in mind, the Kickback Rocker incorporates innovative pistons in the back legs that enhance its unique rocking motion. This thoughtful engineering ensures a stable rocking experience, enough resistance to prevent any backward tipping while still providing a gentle sway that enhances your relaxation. You will enjoy the perfect balance, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in nature without the fear of tipping over. Whether you're unwinding by the campfire, enjoying a sunny day at the beach, or relaxing in your backyard, the Kickback Rocker elevates your outdoor experience. Its lightweight yet sturdy construction makes it easy to transport, while its stylish design adds a touch of elegance to any setting. You deserve to enjoy the great outdoors in comfort. With the GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker, you can create cherished memories with family and friends, all while savoring the pleasure of a gently rocking chair that supports your relaxation needs. Invest in a piece of outdoor furniture that truly enhances your time spent outdoors and discover the joys of reclining in style with the perfect blend of comfort and stability. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Kelty Deluxe Lounge Chair. If you're in search of a comfortable and reliable camping chair, the Kelty Deluxe Lounge Chair may be just what you need. Renowned among outdoor enthusiasts, this chair boasts a broad seat designed to ensure comfort, allowing you to sit back without experiencing pinching or discomfort in your hamstrings, shoulders, or hips. The construction of the chair features thick steel supports paired with widely spaced feet, providing a sturdy and secure seating experience. Whether you're at a campsite or a backyard gathering, you can relax confidently without worrying about tipping or instability. Its design allows you to recline and lounge at various angles, making it perfect for unwinding after a day of adventure. Another standout feature is the adjustable cup holders, which can accommodate a range of drink sizes, from a standard soda can to a robust beer growler that holds up to 64 ounces. This flexibility means you can stay hydrated or enjoy a refreshing beverage while you relax, enhancing your outdoor experience. The Kelty Deluxe Lounge Chair is not just a piece of furniture, it's an invitation to enjoy your surroundings with comfort and ease. Whether you're roasting marshmallows, chatting with friends, or simply soaking in nature, this chair enhances your outdoor moments. Investing in this chair means investing in countless relaxing experiences that you can enjoy for years to come. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which camping chair you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.